You can always
She's
delete it
alright.
if it does. Seriously, it's not going to show. I used to take pictures of weddings for decades.